What's up? What's up, guys? Guys, do yourself a favor. Do not call 911 EMS for any sore throat, for a cough, for fever, guys. Please try to use as much medicine as you can. Don't waste your time doing that. They're not gonna they're not gonna take you serious. They're there for any cardiac arrest, heart attacks, even that. If they don't revive you in 20 minutes, they have to leave the body alone. That's how bad it is right now, man. So do not call 911 for any sore throat, cough, any fever. Don't do that. You're just wasting your time and their time. You know what I'm saying? So just we gotta use our heads. You know what I'm saying? And it's scary, man. I just heard an EMS guy who was saying that, if you guys, God forbid, if you guys get a heart attack or a cardiac arrest, or you get in some type of respiratory issue, and if they don't revive you within 10 minutes, 20 minutes, they have 20 minutes, that timing. And if you're not revived, they leave the body there. That's it. They move on to the next. They will not waste time. That's how serious this shit is, man. So just take care of yourselves, guys. If you don't call 911 if it's not serious, guys. You know, please do not do that. Don't waste your time. Got a sore throat? Drink some green tea. I recommend with lemon. Cough drops. A lot of water. Drink a lot of water. Stay the fuck home. That's it. Don't sit here and call 911 for any stupid tick, because they're not gonna waste your time. They're not gonna pick. They're not gonna get in. They're not gonna fucking come out of their way. You know what I'm saying? Unless it's serious. All right. So use your head. You know what I'm saying? Be smart. Stay the fuck home. Do what you have to do, please. All right. God bless you all. Be safe. Take care of yourselves, man. Be smart. It's all about common sense. Please.